My people, how na dey? Una welcome to today Ogboges News. My name still remain AU David, the Araimialu one of the universe. My people, today news dey Poskimos. Today we go to talk about the taxing Nigeria in diaspora. Nigeria government want tax people when be say that they abroad. So before we go inside, make we explain now better how it be, how they will take tax you, how you will take pay the tax, how everything will be. Before we go inside, my people, may we first of all go subscribe. In case you never subscribe to this channel, may you go subscribe so that anytime when it be say we drop me news like this, we drop information like this, then you go to see them for your phone. Now the reason why you go subscribe now be that one. Make you subscribe so that you go to get them. My people, today as I talk, we will talk about the tax when Nigeria government want to tax people when they abroad. People in diaspora, they say taxing Nigerians in diaspora to improve Nigeria revenue base. Now they want tax people when they abroad. Make me say they use they boost the economy for Nigeria. People when they abroad though. My people, this thing when it start for Nigeria, I want make you understand what really they happen for the country. This one when be say they face people when be say that they abroad, they call them people in diaspora. If you know they live for Nigeria, they live outside Nigeria. Now be the people when we talk about so. Whether na Ghana, you do America, Sierra Leone, India, Italy, Spain, Germany, France, anywhere when you do when you be say not be Nigeria, you don't come up for Nigeria land. So now all of now they call people in diaspora. So now these people now they want tax. So see, if you they follow me, you will know say I don't fair talk about say Nigeria they try to silence everybody for the country. Say they will try everybody. In case you never fair watch that thing, may you go watch them. Go see how Nigeria government they try to silence everybody. Then I still come out talk about say Nigeria government they want borrow money when it be say their account where they dormant, which that means people when they abroad money when they put for account where they never fee use. Say Nigeria government want borrow them. So I first talk about that one. You still see that one, may you go see how it be. But this one, what we talk about now, all these things started when it be say the time when it be say NSAS take finish. NSAS matter, federal government believe say NSAS matter. The people when they abroad get hand for inside NSAS matter. So when they after NSAS they arrest Nigerians when they Nigeria. So they don't get how they want to arrest or do punish Nigerians when they abroad. Now they start to bring different things. First, they say they want do phone, maybe everybody go register their line. They start from this one because they know say people when they abroad, they not go fit just because of a SIM card call house go register, and many people when be say they get Nigeria line that they use them for abroad, so they will block everybody. So communication go dey hard for us to communicate like that as they call us from abroad. You know, if they call us as before, people when they abroad, some of they call us for Nigeria before as they call. So they can't start from them. After that, now they say they want borrow the money when we say they did for account. Now, if you want send money to Nigeria, you get some app. You when they use app before they send money when we say they cheap. Central Bank of Nigeria don't block many of them. Now, for you to even send through Western Union is difficult. So these are some of the things where they want to punish people. But now they come again say they want make people when they abroad they pay tax. How you go take pay this tax? Because I know so many people will say how they want to say make I pay tax. Me when not in Nigeria, how they want to do, how I want to pay the tax. That one now lie, no feel happen, no feel be, it go happen. The rules when they put, when they say they want happen or they want to pay the tax, be say people when they abroad, all the money when it be said that they send, So they can't tell central bank say money when people they send come from abroad, as they send and come make central bank they take 30% for all the money when people when they abroad they send come. For example, say you want send money, give your mama, make it go buy yam. You want to buy beans, buy onions, make it take cook chop. So federal government will come take 30% of the money when you send come. They will just papuka for road. Your mama not go see them before they collect them. As the money they come, they will take their own commode. The small one when remain, now you go enter the account when you they send down they go. So as the money they come, and so the federal government go the hijack for road. You not go see them. They go the hijack and the money not go they reach there. Then they will take 30% of all the money, whether you send 1 million, you send €1, you send €2, you send €5, anything when you send at all, 30%, they go papukaran for road, they go hijack like a robber. Now, so federal government say they want to do people when they abroad. I know say some of you will say, me, I know the kukuma use bank. Let me shock you again. If you know they use bank, the people when you they give money made they send. Now bank that they use. If federal government they take 30% for their money when they pass through bank, then the money when they suppose send for you, when you come, they can't remove that 30%, tell you say now this amount now go be now, because nobody want run short. Definitely they go remove the 30% come on for the money when they suppose tell you. That time you don't already they pay the tax. You not go no say now tax when federal government put for your head, now you they pay so. So my people, I say make I can't tell now how the matter they waka. Una know say as we testing for here now, so we tell they talk and we know they adjourn, we know they remove. Now be say, now make and be say our we they do a sharp, we they talk us we testing. My people, how you see this thing? It good make it be say federal government of Nigeria, the one when Muhammadu Buhari be president, made the task people when be say they abroad, when they not give work, they don't know how they take they survive, they don't know how they take they make their money, they don't know how they take they pass through coal, sun, they don't know what they happen to them, they don't know how the races and everything when they pass through, they don't know all the insult, they don't know anything when it be say people they pass through for abroad. A good maybe say federal government it would they take a task for people when they abroad. When they be say they look for small money, they want to go their people, give their people. Federal government will come take a task for inside. My people, make how you see them. Write your own for the comment section. Make we know how you view and how you see them. In case you not be Nigeria, then another country you be Ghana, Sierra Leone. If they happen for your country like this, your president your country that they tax you now, say make when I went there abroad, they tax you now, make you still right now. My people, as we see and reach, now be this one. And so now we say we can't tell you now. In case you never still subscribe, time still there to subscribe now, so that you go to get we see another news. Remain blessed.